Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I need you guys to do me a favor real quick. I looked at the analytics for my YouTube channel and it looks like 91% of people who watch the videos are not subscribed. But they watch the videos. So do me a favor. I got something big coming up. I need you guys to go ahead and hit the subscribe button now. Just hit it real quick. Just do it real quick. Just join. I do a lot of Bmw stuff. Anywho, thank you so much. But today, I have decided that I'm going to, actually like a week ago, I decided that I'm going to do an LCI conversion on my car. So I have the 2006 pre-LCI E90, and I actually like the look of the LCI a little bit more. So here's a couple things that I did. And this will be coming up on upcoming videos. One, I bought an LCI trunk. It's got a little bit of damage, but it's hard to notice. And the car's gonna be painted black. I bought the LCI side mirrors, also gonna be painted black. And I have the LCI hood on the way, but also I went ahead and finally bought both the M-style rear and the M-style front bumper for the car. So this whole thing is about to be totally transformed, so that's why you guys should definitely hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel. That'd be so awesome. Anywho, what I'm doing today is I'm kind of just prepping for this whole thing, and like I said, I already got the trunk lid. I got this from the junkyard for super cheap. Got those from the junkyard for super cheap as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray these things black. I already picked up some paint from the paint store. So I'm gonna spray them black today. So I already have them good to go and ready to be put on the car. I'm trying to use some of the techniques from some of my earlier videos that you guys should definitely go check out. A lot of the techniques I learned from Paint Society's YouTube channel, which is an awesome YouTube channel if you wanna go ahead and try and learn how to actually paint like cars or paint panels or paint wheels. So I'm gonna try and use some of those techniques today. I went ahead and sanded everything down, cleaned everything up, and I've just gotta like degrease everything. I wanted to spare you guys those boring details because sanding isn't like really fun to watch. But anywho, here's the trunk lid. There's actually a dent right there. I'm trying to sand this thing out, but Jesus, I don't even know what that is. Small dent right there. The trunk lid is gonna be painted black. It's gonna be hard to notice that. And these are in good condition. There was like a big scuff there, but you're not even gonna be able to see that after it's painted. So yeah, I'm excited. So this is the first part to the LCI conversion of my E90. Let's do it. All right, you guys. So I got pretty much everything all prepped and ready to go. I went ahead and wax and grease removed everything. And this is what I'm working with here. I just set it down on some plastic that I just put down. I wanted to keep it elevated so I can get all the edges. And then I got my mirror caps right there. So I'm gonna get ready to go ahead and mix up some sealer because I'm gonna throw sealer on first. Then I'm gonna do 2 coats of base, and then I'm gonna do 2 coats of clear. And hopefully that gives me the finish that I'm looking for. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, you guys, so I just sprayed a second coat of black sealer And I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna go any further because there's just a bunch of dust nibs everywhere in the paint. Like it actually looks decent, but I want it to look as close to, you know, this original trunk as possible because that's what it'll be replacing. So I'm gonna give it a couple of minutes. I'm gonna give it like 15-20 minutes and let it dry, and then we'll see what it looks like from there. If it doesn't look really good from there, I might make this video like more than one part segment, and then I might go ahead and sand it down, sand out that gray sealer before I spray a base coat and kind of take a different approach. So we will see what happens here in like 20 minutes. All right. All right, you guys, so I waited maybe 15-20 minutes, and this is what the panel looks like so far. It doesn't look bad, and this is just sealer, but what I'm talking about, I don't know if you guys can see, I'm sure you can, all the little specks everywhere. I think whenever I first did my first pass, I was probably a little bit too far away. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and let this thing dry. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take some maybe 800 or 1000 grit sandpaper and then go and sand it all down. And then I'll go straight to base coat because I've got 2 layers of sealer, which is plenty. And kind of the same thing happened here, but it's a little bit less noticeable because it's such a small piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry. I'm gonna hit it with 800 or 1000 grit sandpaper, maybe both. And then I'm gonna go ahead and hit it with base coat after making some adjustments to the spray gun. Because I think I'm gonna take the pressure, bump it up a little bit, and then I'm just gonna really be careful and make sure that I'm like 5 to 6 inches away from the actual panel, because the way that this trunk lid turns, it was actually throwing off my spray pattern somewhat, because I'm sure at some points I was like 10 inches off and some points I was like 3 inches off. So I want this to turn out really good. So I'm gonna take my time on it. And as for this video, it'll have to be paused until I get another opportunity to do this. So I will see you guys when I'm back at it. Actually, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. I will restart fresh whenever I get back to actually finishing painting these panels. I wanna give you guys some content out there. I haven't posted in a couple of days. I'm trying to stay consistent. So I'm gonna go ahead and release this one, although I didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but it's all good though. Anywho, so I'm gonna be putting the M-style front bumper on this. I bought a new hood for the car as well, and new kidney grills. So I'll be doing the LCI conversion as well, but I'm not gonna change the headlights because these are already decent looking headlights. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep those. And I don't know if you guys ever noticed, but it also has this blacked out side marker too. And I'm eventually gonna do something with these wheels. I kept the old wheels that I've been messing with for a while, so I'm gonna take those and I'm gonna change the color. I just don't know what color yet. And the last thing is the trunk lid that I'm spraying right now is an LCI trunk lid, and then I got the M-style bumper for the car as well. So if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for me. That would be super helpful. And just like that, I will see you guys on the next video. We're gonna get back to painting. Peace.